Hello traders, I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel, and in this particular video I'm just going to be briefly showing you how to start algorithmic trading as a beginner. All right, so if you have ever wondered how traders use computers to automate their trading, this video is for you. All right, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what steps to take to start building your first trading algorithm. So first of all, let us quickly break down what algorithmic trading is. So basically, algorithmic trading or algo trading, you can see here on MT5 where algo trading is mentioned, right, which activates the algorithmic trading. If you are a kind of trader that uses expert advisor, you need to enable this algo trading in order for your expert advisor to function properly on your chart. Okay, so algo trading is the use of computer programs to execute trades automatically. All right, so I'm just going to view the navigator. Okay, you can see there are several expert advisors that I have here. So for example, in order for you to make use of an expert advisor, you need that algorithmic trading feature activated on your trading platform. Okay, so this involves using computer programs, things like these softwares, these EAs, these trading robots and all of that to execute trade automatically based on a set of rules. All right, for example, if we go to the inputs of this particular EA, you can see a couple of rules here, right? So let me just load another EA here. You're going to see the inputs, right? So these are the settings of the EA, and each EA has been coded or designed to execute a specific strategy. All right, so the rules that have been given to the EA are what the EA are going, what are those rules given to the EA are what those EAs are going to use to execute the trades for you. All right, these rules can be based on price, volume, time, or other market conditions. For beginners, the key idea is that instead of manually clicking buy or sell, right? Instead of just manually clicking your buy or your sell button, um, your algorithm does it for you. So why do traders use algorithms? Algorithms can remove emotional trading decisions. They can react faster than humans, and they can also test strategies using historical data before live deployment. All right. So for beginners, this means you can practice strategies without the pressure of making split-second decisions. Now, let us quickly talk about the tools that you're going to need, all right? To start algorithmic uh, trading as a beginner, you will need a trading platform that supports algorithmic strategies. For example, MetaTrader 5, or you could use MetaTrader 4 or TradingView, right? These platforms support algorithmic strategies, so feel free to use whichever of them that you prefer. All right, and then you're also going to need a programming environment, right? Often Python is recommended for beginners due to its simplicity. Okay, and then you're going to need historical market data for backtesting your strategy. All right, and of course you're going to need a demo account, right? Just like I have here, a demo account to test your strategies safely before going live. All right, you want to ensure that the EA, you want to ensure that that software, the trading robot is functioning the way you desire it to function before you start applying it to a live account. So you want to test it all out on a demo account and ensure that it is giving you your desired results before activating it on your live account. So now, if you are new to coding, you don't have to worry, okay? You don't need to be a full-time programmer to start algorithmic trading. Now, Python is beginner friendly and widely used in the trading community. You'll learn how to write simple trading rules, such as buy when price crosses above the moving average or sell when RSI reaches a certain level and all of that, right? Meanwhile, you can check out one of the videos that we have posted on this channel. You can check out one of our videos on, using ChatGPT to code an expert advisor, right? So even if you're a complete beginner and you do not have any knowledge about coding, you can take advantage of AI, right? Give it your strategy, and of course there might be a couple of things that will require some level of human intelligence as well, because sometimes there might be some errors here and there. So you just feel free to check out our video talking about using AI to code an expert advisor. Okay, now before you trade with real money, it's essential to backtest your algorithm. This means you simulate your strategy using historical market data to see how it would have performed, right? Backtesting helps you refine your strategy, understand potential risks, and ensure your algorithm behaves as expected. All right. Now let's just go to the strategy tester real quick. Okay, so on MT5, for example, you can take advantage of the strategy tester and backtest your expert advisor, right? Let's go to single. You can see expert advisor. You can select the particular EA that you want to backtest, for example, right? Select your symbol, time frame, and all of that. And then you click on start. So it's just going to help you, over the period of time that you selected, right? It's going to just help you to do a quick backtest on probably how the EA would have performed, all right, given the settings that you imputed here. So it is going to do the back testing for you, and you can see how the EA would have performed over that period of time, and possibly how it's going to perform. Although remember that past performance does not guarantee future results, okay, but back testing still helps, all right, to know if the EA is at least profitable to an extent or not. All right, so a simple roadmap for beginners. Okay, first of all, you have to choose your trading platform and programming language, or well, take advantage of AI. But you need to have some level of knowledge about probably promptings and all of that in order for you to maximize the use of AI for coding. Okay, then you might or might not need to learn basic coding concepts and trading indicators, right? Then you have to build a simple trading strategy, because of course you need to have a strategy that you are coding into the EA or into the robot, all right? And then you need to backtest your strategy using historical data, and then test your algorithm on a demo account before considering live deployment. Remember, the goal is to start small and learn as you go, all right? Focus on understanding how your algorithm works, why it makes trades, and how to improve it over time. Consistency and patience are key. Okay, so if this video helped you understand how to start algorithmic trading for beginners, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. More in-depth trading tutorials and algorithmic strategies are coming soon, so don't miss out.